After fixing one of the wheels, I have noticed that another one is now going flat. I've filled this one up twice. Probably gonna have to have it reseated onto the bead. I'm just gonna take a mild guess that might be why the e-brake is not working. Let me go pull it up and see what happens with it, because I think when I pull the e-brake it doesn't tension the whole apparatus underneath here. That looks to be correct, because the steel cable didn't pull the actuator whatsoever. After a while of going through and looking at all the little adjustments on here, I couldn't figure out why the e-brake wasn't working until I went inside and I realized that the padding in the center was removable. So I looked in here, this was all sideways, and there's a little adjustment in here that I was able to mess around with just enough so that it would get tension on the brakes. Now it actually works. So I'm sitting here disassembling the brakes when I realize that pad is no longer attached to the shoe. Nice. Check this out. You can see that whole thing move a little bit. And then you can get it to just shift back. That's not supposed to be happening. I don't know, but something about this just doesn't seem right to me. I feel like this should be bolted to something, but I guess I'm gonna find out the further I go in. Old versus new. Hopefully this leaky one was most of the braking problem, but if not, whatever. I have the confidence of a new brake cylinder. I got a few more things going on underneath here, but that'll be for next video. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Hang loose.